Lighting pilots and verifying burner operations of open-top burners and griddles. All burner configurations are equipped with standing pilots, allowing for instant appliance use and low maintenance. Lighting should be infrequent, except during initial startup or after a full appliance shutdown. Pilot safety monitoring is standard on all ovens and is optional for open-top burner and griddle devices. If you have a flame safety model, please refer to Vulcan's video entitled Vulcan Flame Safety Option. First, we will show you how to light the open-top burner's standing pilot on an endurance restaurant range. A multi-purpose lighter will be needed for lighting standing pilots. Open-top burners. Here are some of the key parts of the Vulcan Endurance Restaurant Range that will be utilized in this video. Remove the front row of open-top burner grates. Pilot access can be reached under the grates. Turn the main gas supply valve on the range to the on position. Light all standing pilots using a multi-purpose lighter. For griddles, pilot access can be reached under the griddle plate through the slotted opening in the manifold cover near the burner valve knob. After the pilot is lit, replace the front row of open-top burner grates. Turn the burner valve knob on to ensure operation. Turn the burner valve knob to the off position to shut off the burner. The standing pilots will remain lit. If burners fail to light, turn off all valve knobs. Refer to your operations manual or call an authorized installation or service technician. Now you are ready to use your Vulcan range. For more information on operating and maintaining your equipment, refer to the operation manual on the Vulcan website.